Scalpers, listen up. If you want to dominate the markets and stack consistent profits, you need more than just speed, you need precision. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 high-accuracy trading techniques that every serious scalper must know. Let's dive right in. No fluff, just real strategies you can use today. 1. VWAP bounce entries. VWAP, or volume weighted average price, shows the average trading price weighted by volume throughout the day. It acts as a dynamic support or resistance level, especially in trending markets. Scalpers use the VWAP as a key area to enter trades when price pulls back to it during strong trends. If the price approaches VWAP and shows rejection through bullish or bearish candles, paired with volume confirmation, it often signals that institutional players are stepping in. This makes it a high probability entry point for scalping small, consistent gains in the direction of the dominant trend. Second order book reading. The order book displays real-time pending buy and sell orders at different price levels. This is also known as level 2 data. Scalpers who learn how to read this data can gain a massive edge. You can spot large hidden orders, icebergs, spoofing, fake orders placed to mislead traders, or sudden liquidity shifts. For example, a wall of sell orders near resistance may indicate a strong rejection zone, unless it's pulled at the last second, which could signal a fake out and breakout setup. Order flow reading helps you act before the candle confirms the move. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. 3. 1-minute breakout traps. Breakout traps occur when price appears to break through support or resistance, but then reverses sharply in the opposite direction. On the 1-minute chart, this happens all the time, and smart scalpers take advantage of it. You'll often see a candle close just above a key high or below a key low with weak volume, then quickly reverse. This traps breakout traders and stop hunters, creating a window of opportunity for a counter-trend scalp. The key is to recognize when volume doesn't support the move and to wait for a confirming rejection candle before entering the trade. 4. Liquidity sweep zones. Liquidity sweeps, also called stop hunts, happen when the market spikes just beyond previous highs or lows to trigger stop losses. Once those stops are taken out, price often reverses quickly. Smart traders and institutions intentionally drive price into these levels to create liquidity for their own entries. Scalpers can benefit by identifying swing highs and lows where retail stops are likely placed. When price hits those zones, shows a sudden spike followed by rejection or reversal candles, and volume shifts, you can enter in the opposite direction for a clean scalp. 5. Time of day precision. Scalping success is heavily influenced by timing. The best trading windows are when volume and volatility are highest. These typically occur in the first 30 to 60 minutes after the market opens and in the final 30 minutes before it closes. During these periods, institutional traders are most active and price moves fast enough to offer multiple scalp opportunities. Midday trading often lacks momentum, leading to choppy price action and false setups. Knowing when to trade and when to sit out can make the difference between consistent profits and random losses. So there you have it. 5 high-accuracy scalping techniques that can seriously level up your intraday game. Use VWAP for clean pullbacks. Read the order book like a pro. Fade breakout traps. Anticipate liquidity sweeps, and always trade at the right time of day. Test these out, master them, and watch your edge grow. If you got value from this, hit that like button Subscribe for more pro-level scalping content, and comment below. Which of these techniques will you try first? Or do you want me to break one down in a future video? Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.